You smell that freedom? Can you get a whiff of what's left of it? Happy Independence Day, everybody.
God bless America.
And it's always been the first day of the celebration of mi cumpleaños. That's right, it's my birthday, July 5th. So let's put down the chop saws and get this party started right. My fiance and I and a few friends were asked to go out on a day on the bay with Tarek and Heather in their ocean cruiser. With no real head in sight, it was nice not to be on the grind for once. By living every day so focused, driven, and organized to optimize efficiency, the grind never stops. Except for my birthday. It's nice to cut loose. Ocean air in your face, relaxing, engaging in conversation with friends. Laughs cure everything that ails the human body, and is rejuvenating to have such positive people by your side. Next, we're off to one of my favorite low-key fishing towns, nestled up in the Sequoia National Forest, Kern River, California. The North Fork Kern River Canyon is the longest linear, glacially sculpted valley in the world, and it's absolutely breathtaking.
Here, come here, bring it to me. Come on. So cute. Good job. Show me your fish. Yeah, there you go.
After some good old river fishing, we decided to kick rocks and explore. We found a hike up North Fork along a stream called Brush Creek. We hung out there for a while, and I got curious where the water was stemming from. So I sent the drone up creek to check out the terrain, and lo and behold was 3 consecutive waterfalls flowing with a decent amount of water. So at that point, it was hiking time. And since it was hot, all I was thinking about was getting wet. We made it to the waterfall, and it was cooler than expected. It had a built-in water slide. I mean, what more can you ask for? Nature is amazing. It will always over-deliver if you can let your mind truly focus on your new surroundings. I would have left just being okay with the creek 100 feet from the parking lot. I'm truly glad that we pushed on and ventured deeper into the canyon and were rewarded tenfold. As we were walking up the canyon, we saw multiple perplexing pothole erosions in the river rock. Nature was teaching us through exposure and showing us its sheer power and force. Boy, that slide was not very big, but it was surely fun and refreshing. Headed to a place called California Hot Springs. It can be one of 3 things. California's best hot springs, California Hot Springs, so they just have hot springs. Or it could be California Hot Springs and there's no hot springs at all. I'm guessing it's California's best hot springs because it just feels that way. Crossing my fingers, we're gonna land upon something amazing that no one's talking about in California.
This was a nice little find, huh? I'm just not sure how you're gonna get off once you get on. How are you gonna get off of it once you get on? You're just gonna end up in the water.
That's so cool. That's so cool. It's like crossing the Ganges River. What'd you find?
Hot. It's like a bathtub hot.
Hungry?
No, it's not just that. I would like to get home safely, and you don't know where we are. We don't.
I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am.
And we have no servant.
So after I was able to navigate us home safely, since the complex drive was only comprised of one road, I knew we were destined for our next stop, Ewings, a place where Jolene can get the nutrients she desperately needed. I'm surely gonna have a snack belt for Jolene's next adventure. The next day, we fished our way down the river, heading home, catching a few fish along the way. I was trying to drone a few angles while fishing on the banks, and somehow my drone didn't stop when I was adjusting altitude, and it plunged into the river. I was lucky it responded quick. I pulled up the sticks and instantly flew it over to me to evaluate. What a scare. But this trip overall was great. Exactly what I needed. To step away from the business for a few days and enjoy a day of peace and serenity. I look forward to sharing my next project and adventure with you. So subscribe and wait around for my next post. So Kern River is the place I love to fish and relax, to get out of this rat race mentality. And California hot springs is where I go to chill and relax in these beautiful hot springs. If you like what you saw this week, share it with your friends. Send it to your mother. And I will see you next time. I think it is more often.